Weifang Chengfeiyue Hydraulic Machinery Company Limited, established in 2013, a combined enterprise in Weifang, Shandong, covering an area of 7,198 square meters. Our founder has been focusing on the production and development of hydraulic systems for 25 years. We mainly produce hydraulic valve, tipping valve, directional control valve, pneumatic control valve, limit valve, high-pressure gear pump, piston pump, and a complete set of hydraulic system. We provide hydraulic systems to many domestic assembly plants. Many well-known Chinese brands of engineering vehicles are using our hydraulic system products. Our company boasts a robust production infrastructure with advanced machinery. We have advanced excellent imported horizontal processing center and vertical processing center, also advanced cathodic electrophoretic coating production line, and other precision manufacturing equipment have been introduced. Because of that, our products have excellent corrosion resistance, acid resistance, and adhesion. We have cylindericity tester, hardness tester, thread tester, simulation vehicle hydraulic system test bench, and other advanced laboratory inspection equipment, and rigorous quality control is maintained by skilled employees, ensuring every product meets the high standards. We offer OEM and ODM services from design to graphic processing, backed by years of engineering expertise. We have a professional team for designation, production, processing, assembly, quality inspection, and testing, which ensure rapid product development and delivery within 10 to 20 days. Recognized for excellence, our products are CE and IATF 16949 certified, highlighting our commitment to quality and industry standards. Our corporate ethos is built on diligence and honesty. We lead with technology, embrace innovation as our core, and pursue growth through quality, striving relentlessly to establish a globally renowned brand.